Red and Green, your forever car guy here at Ganley Volkswagen in Willoughby Hills, bringing this 2026 VW Jetta SE with a sunroof. It's monumentum gray exterior, black fabric interior, has the black wheels. This is one of our service loaners, so it does have a few thousand miles on it. These cars are washed, cleaned, and serviced regularly anytime the customer brings it back. It is comes certified, so you have a 2-year 24,000 mile extension on your 4-year 50,000 mile warranty. Check out the back seats here. Seats will fold down, 60-40 split. Power moonroof up top. Here's the cockpit. Power windows, power locks, keyless entry, remote start, power driver seat. It is a manual passenger seat. Got your auto headlamps. You got your lane keep assist, cruise control, all your audio controls on the steering wheel. Exact mileage is 5,816. Touchscreen radio, dual climate control, automatic transmission. I mean, super well equipped and a super nice car. If you have any questions on this Jetta, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Phone number is 330-510-9613. As always, thanks for the opportunity to earn your business and trust here at Ganley Volkswagen.